Good morning, everyone. Quiet start to the day for most of us, but there have been some lake effect bands setting up, specifically last night across Genesee County. Watch this band right there, and as it moves into southern Lapeer County, that dropped a quick inch of snowfall, so be careful through Flint and then east to Davison, also Burton. You could see some snow-covered roadways even as far east as Lapeer. More snow showers developing right over Lapeer County right now. We've had some snow showers in the Tri-Cities yesterday. A little bit of a break, but overall we'll hold on to the flurry and snow shower risk as temperatures are turning much colder, and that cold air is continuing to come in over the lakes, and that could give us the lake effect going into your day today. Look at the temperature change over the last 24 hours, anywhere from 15 to nearly 25 degrees colder throughout the area. And that means we're not into the 30s and 40s like we were at this point yesterday. We're back into the teens. Some of us trying to even drop into the single digits. Clare at 11 right now. It's 13 in Tawas, 16 in Flint and Bay City, Alma at 16 as well, 15 in Bad Axe and Mount Pleasant, 17 in Caro and Owasso. We have to talk about the winds though. Strong, 15, 20 miles per hour sustained. But as you look at the gusts, these have been approaching 30 and exceeding them in some areas. We're at 30 in Bad Axe, Flint at 32 miles per hour with a temperature of 16. Look what it does to the wind chill. It drops it below zero now, where it feels like it's -1 in Flint, -2 in Bad Axe, -5 in Clare, 0 in Bay City, -4 in Tawas, and 2 in Saginaw, Alma, and Owasso. Caro coming in with 1 right now. So definitely cold. If you're out for an extended period of time this morning, you know the drill. Make sure you're covered up. Any exposed skin could get a little frostbitten here over about a 15 to 30 minute period. So bundle up. The cold air, it's going to stick around, and that actually is going to be our bigger story for today and tomorrow. Yeah, we're getting a couple of snow showers here and there. That won't change. But these cold temperatures are so much below average for this time of year, where we should be at or just above the freezing mark as we're finally past the coldest, what typically climatologically speaking is the coldest part of the year. Our average high temperature is slowly climbing now, but our temperatures, the actual air temperatures, are not. And I'm also watching another big story. You'll hear about this all day today on any of the national networks, the Weather Channel. They'll be talking about a major snowstorm across the Plain States, and we're starting to see that develop. It'll come in 2 phases. Phase number 1 with some snow across Kansas this morning. Phase number 2, this thing turns into a severe weather maker, an ice storm, and a blizzard going into tomorrow, affecting all of the central and southern Plain States, and then eventually it heads over to the Great Lakes. Now its impacts here will be much less. So Futurecast depicts a rather quiet forecast comparatively speaking to what's going on across the central and southern plains. Again, very strong winds today over the lakes. Could kick off some scattered snow showers from time to time. There could even be a few breaks of sunshine mixed in with the cloud cover. The winds will start to calm down. Temperatures get very cold tonight, anywhere from 0 to 10, with most of us sitting at about 5 degrees with wind chills possibly below 0. Tomorrow, 7 a.m., we'll start to watch the clouds increasing from southwestern portions of the regional map. And what that means for us is that we'll increase the clouds Thursday afternoon. Friday morning, we could be waking up to some of that snow from the plains arriving in our area. Snow lovers, I wish I had better news for you. It's not going to be nearly as strong. It hardly even 10% as strong as what it'll be across the plains once it arrives into the Great Lakes. I'm thinking a 1 to 2 inch snowfall here on Friday compared to the 10 to 20 that will actually be falling across portions of the Central Plains states today. So that will be Friday for us. And then beyond Friday, look at that. We have a warm-up, finally getting at or above average going into the end of the weekend. So some of that fresh snow that falls on Friday will already melt going into your Saturday and Sunday. Then by Tuesday of next week, another scenario depicting a rain-snow mix, maybe a little ice in there as well. We'll worry about that next week, and we'll continue to watch very closely the system on Friday. Again, very strong across the central part of the nation, but once it arrives here, all computer models say general 1/2 inch to 2 inches of snowfall falling on Friday.